Well, it's almost the end of the day and I completely forget about very important task I have to do today. So my energy is very low because I'm an early riser, and in the evening for me it's very hard to do something, especially something that needs full intellectual work. So in case you have something like this, do it with me. If you need energy, take of course, it's also a small express algorithm. So you take just a small piece of paper, you see, just, I don't even know what is the format of it. I put it vertically because we will draw triangles. Actually, this is very sharp shape, and it's not for the new students of Neurographic, but in terms of needing lots of energy, you can use it in urgent situations, and I will show you how to smooth it in case you have some negative reaction. Also, you can put water next to you. It also helps a lot. So what I do, I actually took the red marker because red is the energy of energy, I would say this way. And let's do it because I should make it quickly. I start to put triangles. The amount depends on your feeling. When it is enough, it's enough. I'm completely okay with the triangles. It's one of my favorite shapes. They're extremely efficient, but in case you're new with this, no need to put too much of them. And in case you feel bad, I will show you what to do. I start release the energy from bottom to the top. I don't need lots of lines because I need to do it very quickly. So we start to neurograph. Actually, in English, pretty hard to say, but you put the neurographic line on the triangle to make it live. In case you already feel maybe not good, maybe too much of energy, you can always round around the corners and you will feel much better. In case you don't, you can just put few circles by putting here, and even few circles are enough to feel better in this situation. In case, but I'm telling it's in case you don't react good on the triangles. So, and immediately I round everything. So from one side, triangles give huge amount of energy. From other side, the red color itself gives lots of energy. It's better not to draw triangles before you go to sleep. Otherwise, it would be extremely hard to sleep. But right now, I have the situation that basically it's the case of emergency, and I really need it. Please know that there should be no figure that is left outside of your composition. So if you notice, this triangle was separated without the line, so everything should be connected with lines. Connected with lines, connected with the field. So you can add some more lines. It's up to you. Just feel what is good for you. As far as we have sharp composition here, there is also no need to round completely each and every corner. So just do as you feel. I actually don't need these circles, but they work very, very well. From one side, they calm down a little bit. But from other side, they give harmony. Give harmony where you need. And done. Adding the fill line, the thick one, which always stands out, that you can immediately see. the energy of the universe, of the greater force, which will help you sort out your issue in case you allow it to do. Those people who don't like to put field line or to make it thick or even numerous of them, so these people are usually big controllers, so they don't trust anything or anyone, and they only rely on themselves. I rely on life, rely on universe. It always helps me a lot. And actually the second one I will put from here. And figure of fixation. Figure of fixation here, it will definitely be the triangle. This triangle, it's already the thickest one, because the top priority for me is to have energy, to manage what I need. I don't have a timer right now, but I see that it took us probably, like, I don't know, maybe even 3 minutes. In case you need more energy, of course, you can make bigger drawing, more triangles. Add some color. Unfortunately, I don't, well, this is also not very red, but more like red yellow, and the same like orange, oh, red orange. This color of the pencil is more, also like more red orange. Completely okay. Do you remember how we are archetyping? We are connecting with the color, the neighbor cells, and with this we are creating completely new figures, in our drawing. Yeah, actually, as far as I don't need circles here, I will not emphasize them. So the pure thing I need is energy, 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 and energy. Yeah, I have one red. And it's completely okay in case you will draw with a different color. So basically the classical one is black one, and you can always use it. For me, colors works very good for me, and when I use a different color drawing some specific topic, it actually works much better. It would be interesting, will I be able to go to sleep today, or it will be too much energy? I will be grateful for your comments. How did it work for you? Maybe some requests for the next topics, next drawings. You are welcome to subscribe for the channel, because I'm going to make much more videos, more educative videos on how the brain works, more explanations on how neurographic art works, why is it so efficient, why it becomes more and more popular. You can also subscribe to my Facebook account, and there actually sometimes I like even more to put information not verbally but in written form, when you can read it, maybe save, because I post and I'm going to post much more information about neuroscience. So basically I'm addicted to the topic of the brain, how it works, how we can deal with this, how we can manage it, how to make our brain our friend, and how to be as much efficient and successful in our life. So to make our friend, to make our our brain our friend to gain success. So here my drawing is done. I even want to emphasize the fill lines. Looks very good. And yes, these quick algorithms, they will not be very beautiful. But in case you want and you have time, you can then sit a little bit and make some more perfection to it. So I'm very grateful for your attention, for being with me, and see you soon. Thank you for watching. Much more to come, so stay tuned.